Da 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 da.
What's cooking, Richard?
Good morning and welcome to episode 4. Glad you are enjoying my cooking tips, and I really appreciate the positive comments that you leave below on my videos. So great to have you here. I know some of you are expecting me to talk about the rutabaga this week, as I promised, but this week's going to be devoted to the shredder. And the reason for that is I'm a tech nerd and I saw the news last night, perhaps you did too, but it's very exciting, and so I wanted to share a tech tip with you instead. We've all heard about the war on cash, and things have really progressed with the COVID situation. Nobody wants to touch the stuff anymore. So I'm really excited about the Canadian banks launching a new tool in their apps this morning. So just like you deposit your checks online with a photo, the apps now allow you to take a photo of your cash and put it in the bank and get rid of it once and for all. Like checks, with the updated app version, you take a photo of your cash, back and front, enter the details in the app, and bingo, it's deposited. You then take the cash, put it in an envelope, mark it with the date and the amount, seal it, put it in a safe spot. When the bank has said the amount is cleared, then you take it out of the safe place, take the envelope, and shred it. So next time, join me for the rutabaga and enjoy getting rid of your cash. Thank you. Bon appetit. And then we put it in the shredder and get rid of it forever.